Guys, welcome to Mind Matter. Actually, today the work is going on mechanics. It is a heavy commercial vehicle, semi-trailers. The suspension system pin bush issue, and pin bush the pin is worn out. Like the mechanics, this is the and the working is functions. I am here escalation. This is channels. I going to show you some realized and some real facts like working. Just give me a moment. This is please so this is the pin bush. This is worn out. Please look. It's not working. So it's vibrating during the times. So that's why if it's not working, this is all the assembled parts like seams, nuts. This is the suspensions. Please have a look. This is the Velcrank suspension systems. Just this is the type of the main parts of the. If a suspension issue have a issue, it can lead to misalignment to the vehicles, then lead to wear and tears of tires and mechanical component of suspension systems like a leaf springs and bending issue also like this. Our mechanics are doing these jobs. Please have a look. This is my just today, that's all. Just the mechanics are continue lubricatings with some oilings and some for better performance and for good durability of these components, mechanical parts and hammering so with for proper shape and positionings. Yeah, maintaining this works also for sometimes the boosts are what I shown to you figure out. Some boosts are changeables, some boosts are repairables which are not working. That's this some boosts are repairables that is given a prolap or layers with outer layers. So that is all about my the suspensions of heavy commercial maintenance is working. Just look guys. Just have a look. This is going on. Hammering, the oil lubricating, all the parts. This is the bell crank suspension system. This is the equalizers. This is the assembles, master lead, rebound clips. Yeah, you bolts, centerings, centers, line. That's all. It's one of the great parts which hold the tires in a good position with the axle. It also fix the axle in one position. It's a great role on grounds and good grip of these vehicles also as well. So that's what we should focus on maintenance, good focusing as well as this due to maintenance, and sometimes it lead to misalignments also any difficulties, and for better performance for vehicles you need to apply the magnets are doing also. That's all.